Here's a Coach M turbo tip, and it's regarding action versus outcome because environment matters. Oh, so near and dear to my heart. Today's turbo tip with Coach M is brought to you by TrySam.ai, your matchmaking AI tool for people looking for a coach and coaches wanting the ideal client. So, interesting language realization from my last workshop, actually, where what happened was I always ask people to share one insight, one action, and one word for how they're feeling. So, let's break it down. Regarding the insight, the amazing thing is that it's different for everyone. It might have been a quote, a comment, a moment, perhaps one of the practical activities that really landed. For them, the awareness is what it is, right? So that's interesting. I always find that fascinating. And the action, there's one specific leader who said that his action was team engagement. So here's the coaching moment. That's not an action. That's an outcome, right? So you can't make someone engaged. Engagement is the result of taking action, not the action itself. So this was a huge piece of the puzzle, an aha moment for him. And also once we unpacked it, we were able to identify that one of the three pillars of the Coaching Leadership Academy is environment. How do you create environment for people to want to choose to be engaged? What environment do you want to create? And then what are three tangible, practical, observable behaviours that bring that to life? It might be something as simple as we look people in the eye when we greet them, welcome them into our office space. And definitely this is something that was inspired by Eric Isle, who's been a previous guest coach on the Coaching Podcast, and his book that focuses on stop making workplaces more engaging and start making them more human-centric. Totally aligned with that. And finally, why do I ask for one word about how do they feel at the end of a workshop? Because there's motion in emotion. When people feel moved, they move. And it's the word motion is in the word emotion. So one insight, one action, and one word. What are those three things for you today? Perhaps this has opened up something for you as well. All right, be open, stay curious, and perform with pressure. Take care. See you next time.